Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are searching for a backend or software engineering jobs right now, today's openings are actually very interesting because one role is from a Paytm and second one is a graduate trainee role for 2026 students. So in this role, I will explain who can apply, required skills, eligibility, locations. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The first opportunity is from Paytm and the role is Backend Software Engineer LLMOps. Location is Noida and the experience required is 0 to 3 years. So freshers and early career developers can apply. Now this role is especially interesting because companies are slowly moving towards AI integrated backend systems and this opening sits exactly in that space. They are looking for candidates who can work on scalable backend systems while also supporting LLMOps related engineering workflows. So this is not a basic CRUD backend development. You will work on scalable applications, engineering systems, reliability, debugging, and backend workflows connected with modern AI systems. Now let's talk about the eligibility properly because many people skip this part. For education, they mentioned bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. Any graduate or any postgraduate can apply. So if you are from computer science, IT, data science or related technical branches, this role makes a proper sense for you. Now let's talk about what you will actually do in this role. You will design and develop software applications, collaborate with engineering teams, maintain scalable and reliable systems, troubleshoot issues, and participate in code reviews. And you will continuously work with emerging technologies, which basically means this is a proper engineering role, not just support work. And since it's Paytm, the scale of system can be very large. Now coming to the skills, the main technology mentioned are Java, Python, and Ruby, along with backend development concepts, scalable systems, software engineering fundamentals, problem solving, and collaboration skills. So, if you already know Java or Python and have built backend projects, APIs, or database systems, you already match a good part of the requirement. Also, one important thing a lot of students think they need a perfect AI knowledge for LLMOps role. Not true. For freshers, companies usually care more about fundamentals. If your backend basics are good, problem solving is good, and you can learn quickly, you still have a strong chance. So don't skip applying just because you are not an AI expert. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. This one is from Viatris and they are hiring for the role of Graduate Trainee Engineer 2026. Location is Bangalore and there are 20 openings. Salary mentioned here is around 5 LPA and this opportunity is especially for 2026 batch students. So if you are graduating now, listen carefully because this role is open to many branches. First, eligibility, they clearly mentioned BE or BTech with minimum 60 percentage in 10th, 12th and engineering. No active backlogs and no academic year gaps. And the eligible branches are actually very broad. They include computer science, IT, ECE, triple E, data science, cybersecurity, and many more. That's very important. Now, what work will you do? This role includes front end, back end, cloud systems, and enterprise applications. You may work on site core applications, Android apps, iOS related systems, and infrastructure solutions. So, this role is more of a general engineering trainee program, meaning they can train you across multiple technologies according to the project. Now, coming to the technical skills, the stack includes Python, Node.js, Angular, .NET, PowerShell, Bootstrap, networking fundamentals, Linux, Windows, and cloud applications. Now, obviously, they are not expecting freshers to master everything. They mainly want candidates with good technical fundamentals and learning ability. So if you have built a project using those tech stack, you can definitely apply. One more thing I liked here is the exposure because the role involves agile methodologies, testing, debugging, optimization, and collaboration with internal teams. For freshers, this type of exposure can help a lot in the first job, especially if you want long term growth in software engineering or enterprise technology. Now let's compare both opportunity. If you are highly interested in backend systems, scalable engineering, AI workflows, and modern tech stacks, then Paytm's backend software engineer role is probably the stronger opportunity. But if you are a 2026 engineering student looking for a stable role, then second opportunity is best. Meanwhile, other candidates with average skills are already applying everywhere. So apply first, then improve alongside the process. Also remember, good projects matter, communication and your resume quality also matters. So make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.